Putting the storage bag on this is very easy. Now I have this table set at the highest height. I just got this camping table from Jouyek in today. I'm already loving it. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It's got a nice handle. It's an aluminum frame. It easily unfolds. It's got a really nice attachable storage bag, and there are 3 heights to the table. Putting the storage bag on this is very easy. Now I have this table set at the highest height. There are clips underneath the table, and you're going to take the clasps and you're going to attach it to all of those. Once you have those on, there are Velcro straps. You're going to put those around the legs at the top and the bottom, and you are done. The storage area is very spacious. It has 2 600D Oxford large capacity zippered lockers. You can also unzip the area, fold up the flaps so your guests can grab whatever they might need. As you can see, plenty of space in there and on top. It only weighs 13 pounds and it has a max load of 66 pounds. So if you're looking for a table for while you're camping, check this out. You're going to be very happy.